Hello guys, welcome to this new video. Today I'm going to show you how to decloud your headlights. As you can see here, my headlights are all yellow and disgusting. So before this gets too bad, I want to do something against it, and that's why I got myself a headlight preparation set. This includes like a headlight restorer and then the lens sealer, yeah, and also some other polish pads and stuff like that. So I mean, this isn't specifically for that product, but I think it will work the same way with other similar products, and I just wanted to do a little review of that one because I already did the other side and worked pretty well. So I want to show you, and the first step we will do is just clean your headlight, because you don't want to rub your any dirt or anything in the lens. Yeah, so let's start with that. So the first step I did with some simple car cleaner, and then because you should always remove that, so I'm just using some water to clean the lens. And once I'm finished with that, we can continue with the next step, which would be taping the edges of around the headlight, so we don't come onto the paint with our polish stuff, because we don't want to scratch it. And yeah, just clean the edge too a bit, that the tape will stick to it, and then we can start. Just using some normal masking tape, because it's just a little, you don't necessarily have to do it, but I don't want to scratch my paint, so Alright, now that everything is masked off, we can start the process. The first step is using the headlight restorer, and it's pretty simple. You just apply it onto the lens, a little bit like that. Yeah, just get a little bit on there, everywhere where on the front it's not that bad, so I won't put too much there, but on the top here it's becoming worse and worse every day, so I want to get a little bit more on there. And then we're taking our wiping cloth. This was also included in the set, and just start polishing the lens. Yeah, and you can see all that is the dirty lens. And we don't want a dirty lens, because when the lens gets too fogged, you can't polish it out anymore. So it's good to do that before it's too late. So because then you will have to really sand down, which is also included some sandpaper in the set when it's extremely bad on your headlight, but I didn't need that, so yeah, I would recommend doing this before your headlight gets worse. So, but it's also possible to do it when it's worse, because then you will have to sand it down. There's some 800 grit and 2000 grit sandpaper in the set, and you just sand it down and then polish it. But yeah, like that already looks amazing. Yeah, and with that, that's the first step. I really didn't think before I tried it myself, that this stuff would work that good. I think I'm going to apply one more layer of the polish, or no, I think I don't need to. Looks pretty perfect. So just polish it some more. And then the next step is just cleaning the headlight, because the last step would then be to use the lens restore, the lens sealer. Yeah, to get a seal on the lens that it won't get fucked up again as fast. Right, so let's clean it so you can get the excess polish off. Alright, now it's time for the lens sealer. You just have to put some of it on your polish cloth, and then simply put it onto the headlight so that you get an even layer all the way around. And then you have to let that dry for 5 to 10 minutes. And yeah, I would say I will see you then. Alright, that should be enough. Time to polish the rest off. And here you have to really take your time, because if you don't, you will have like rest spots on there where this still where you didn't get everything off, and then your headlight will just look swirly and ugly. So alright, now look at that. Just take the tape off, because this headlight looks like it's brand new. Wow, I'm pretty amazed how that came out. In comparison to before, where it was all foggy up here, it looks perfect. I mean, you could do it every once in a while when it starts fogging up again, and dang, that really looks good. Show you the other side, also looks pretty good. Alright, with that I would say thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Hopefully it will be soon, because I will I have an appointment with the GTU which the where you have to get your car legalized with the wheels and the wing and everything. That appointment is on Monday, so 2 days to go, and then I'm hopefully again legally allowed to drive my car on the street. So pretty pumped about that, and once that's done, I will get a video out for you guys about the wing and with some nice shots. So stay tuned for that.